So now I am going to handle this question. Of the three numbers, first is twice the second and second is twice the third. The average of the three numbers is 21. The smallest of the three numbers is, A option is 9, B is 6, C is 12, D is 18. So this is a average problem. This is average problem. So average is always sum of numbers divided by count of numbers. Average, whenever I talk about average, so average will be equal to sum of the numbers, sum of all the numbers, sum of all the numbers divided by count of all numbers, count of all numbers, count of all numbers. So supposing I give you three numbers 10, 20, 30. So sum will be 10 plus 20 plus 30, 60. Divided by count of numbers is 10 is one number, 20 is another number, 30 is third number, divided by 3. So 60 divided by 3 will be 20. So here what it says is, first there are three numbers here. First is twice the second, second is twice the third, and the average is 21. So I will treat the three numbers as x, y and z. X, y and z. I will treat the three numbers as x, y and z. So this is the first number, y is the second number, and z is the third number. So first is twice the second means x will be equal to 2y. First is twice the second means x will be equal to 2y. Similarly, y second is twice the third means y will be equal to 2z. Y will be equal to 2z. Now, you have to convert everything into a single variable. See, the way of doing this is x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z is the sum of all these three numbers. Divide by count of numbers 1, 2 and 3 will be equal to 21 is what is given. Now there are three variables here. I have to convert all these three variables to a single variable. So what I do is, I will convert x as 2y and y as 2z. Now this y is also given as 2z. So this x will become 2 into 2z will be 4z. X will be 4z. What will happen to this is, x will become 4z plus 2z plus z divided by 3 will be equal to 21. So 7z will be equal to, this 3 will get multiplied there, 63, and z will be equal to 9. So the answer is 9 because z is the smallest number, y is twice of this, should be greater than this. Similarly, z, x is twice of y, it will also be greater. So they asked for the smallest number, z is 9 and y will be 18, x will be 27. So this is the way of doing it. This is the way of doing it. But this is practically a oral problem. See, the moment you read the question, first is twice the second, second is twice the third. What you do is treat the third number as x. So second number will become 2x and first number will become 4x. So 7x will be equal to 63, x will be equal to 9. This is the shortcut of doing it. Keep on following my channel. I will be adding questions every now and then. Wish you all the best.